my name is Dominic. Welcome to my office. Today I'm going to demonstrate some code that I found online by a YouTube creator and programmer. It automatically skips forward or cuts out the silent parts of your video. I'm going to show you a demonstration of how I've implemented it in pycharm, a Python terminal, or it's an IDE. So for my use, you run the program, it asks you for input file. So here's the file I'm going to use. Hold shift, right click, and that'll allow you to copy the path, and then you paste it here. Hit enter, and it will go through the file, detect what kind of video and audio it is. It'll split the audio off. Then it will go through the audio, detect the silent portions and the portions with sound. Shoot, I forgot what I have it set at. Depending on what you put in these variables right here. So right now I have it so it speeds up 10 times for the silent parts. So it's almost done. It wasn't a long video. And we'll see what happens. I guess I could show you the original video for context. Hello, my name is Dominic. This is a test video to demonstrate my audio, particularly these portions. You can see I'm silent and it's playing at normal speed. And as long as we're speeded up, like I said. So that's the original. Let's see what the modified ones looks like. So it puts it in the same location, it just changes it and adds an altered. Hello, my name is Dominic. This is a test video to demonstrate my automatic video editor. If I'm silent, the video will either skip past the quiet parts or it will speed past them at a predefined rate. This would be helpful if you're making a video and of course you need to pause and think about the next sentence. So you can just take your time, think about what you're going to say, and then say it. And as long as you're silent during the parts that you don't want in the film, it will cut them out or speed it up, like I said. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you liked it, I will put a link to my GitHub and the original creator of this code and his YouTube channel down below. Check out the original creator. He does a much better explanation than I ever could. So as you can see there, that worked perfectly. And if you want to just cut out, like the original user said, put the speed to 999, basically a million. And it would basically cut those portions out. So it'd be very useful, say if you're doing gameplay, long gameplay, and mind you, this takes a long time to run for bigger files. But say if you have an hour of gameplay, and a lot of it you're silent, just riding your horse around in Red Dead Redemption or whatever, it'll speed through the boring parts, and then when there's something worth talking about and you're talking about it, it'll show that. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you find it useful. Have a great day.